All right, so we're going to talk about the stock market. Where are we? What happened yesterday, and how we're going to proceed today. We're going to look at it through the lens of the ARMR investing way, which I always like to share with you guys. 3 essential phases: research, building our whiteboard, always doing that, always getting ready for the next wave so we know where to invest. Using our algorithms to execute, we express that through the risk monitor. We'll go over what's going on there, and of course our risk management rules to protect. So I'm going to share with you how I'm running my own personal capital. There's 4 ARMR portfolios that I put together. I have assets in all 4 of those portfolios, and your job as the portfolio manager is to figure out how to use this information to structure a portfolio that fits your personality and your comfort level and your risk tolerance. So I like to say this is a virtual hedge fund that we're building. We're sharing information on our trading desk, all of us in the Slack room, sharing information. We're all collectively each other's risk manager. Okay, and I have a bone to pick with you guys. We're going to talk about that in a minute. And so take this information and make it your own is the point of that comment. Let's talk about mea culpa, mea culpa. I love telling you guys when I make a lot of money. I'm going to tell you guys when I make mistakes. Maybe I'll stop making mistakes like this. I mean, I have time. I've only been investing for 35 years. Right? Maybe one day I'll get it and I won't make a mistake like this. But I want to share it with you because I think we can all really gather some important information from this and print this chart up, put it above the wall, and remember it, okay? You make your money in the stock market when you buy a stock, not when you sell it. Now, you've heard that term, but what does it really mean? It means you got to buy right, okay? It means you don't chase things. It means you don't get caught up in the excitement and talk yourself into something, all right? We all do it. Guilty. Guilty. I do it, all right? And I did it, 2 days ago in the lithium stocks, and then, Goldman Sachs punched me in the mouth. So, all right, here's what happened. So if you want to buy Livent, right, lithium, the time to buy it's here, okay, and the time to buy it's right here. Those were the 2 entry points, okay? Anybody buying it up here was taking too much risk, right? So we put the position on right here the following morning. We had one huge day, and it seemed really great, and I was all excited about it, all right? Then, of course, boom, okay? Took us right through our stop and imploded. Right? Just imploded. Just a terrible looking chart pattern now. I go to the weekly chart. Okay. Now, what I'm not going to do, okay, is complain about Goldman Sachs. I don't want to hear that on my desk. Okay. We're insiders. Goldman Sachs got nothing to do with why that position hit the stop. The reason that position hit the stop is because it was bought wrong. All right. If it was bought right, it still would have probably hit a trailed stop and we would be booking profits on it yesterday. Okay. So the fact that I took a loss on that trade is simply because I got caught up in the excitement of the fundamental story of lithium. And I went against all of my better judgment and I put some money to work. Now I kept it small. I mean, it's small position size. It's not death, but it is very annoying to me. All right. When I get caught up in excitement and violate my basic rules of how to put capital to work. So maybe next time I'll get it right. It's only been 35 years, right? I got time, right? Maybe I'll get it right the next time. Let me tell you something. The bone I have to pick with you guys, you're my risk manager. I'm your risk manager. There's a virtual hedge fund trading desk, okay? We're all portfolio managers. I'm your risk manager. You're mine. I can't believe none of you out there sent me a direct message quietly saying, really? Is that really the entry? Is that the ARMR entry point? I mean, seriously. Come on. Someone's got to DM me next time when I get carried away.